Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT. For those who know me and for those of you, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is the wig that I have on today is by Bobbi Boss. Wig Types was kind enough to send me over this unit to review for my audience, so thank you with the Wig Types. And yeah, so let's get right into this unit.
Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract her. She's a country girl trying to get her master's. She got a man, but he really ain't a factor. I'm the cowboy who's got her heart beating faster. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract.
So now you watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The unit doesn't come with any lace. It just comes with adjustable straps. It is Bobbi Boss's M1050 Scarlett. I have the unit Scarlett in the color DLT1B COP. So now you've got to the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next wig. Bye guys.